What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see I'm taking in from the garage again, cause that wind is like a whirlwind out there, man. It's a whirlwind, boy, going down. So, I said today is actually my birthday, but at the time y'all looking at this, it's my birthday was yesterday. Cause y'all seeing this on October the 1st. My birthday was September 30th, man. So it's officially my birthday today. I'm shooting this though. I'm about to go pick up brown coat, man. I gotta get some part for wifey car. So I'm ready to get brown coat back. And we got some more moves to make, man. We got some more moves to make. That's all I got to say. So a busy day. I'm finna run and do this, cause I wasn't planning on doing too much running around today since it's my birthday. But I'm gonna shoot y'all this vlog, man. I like to take y'all with me to go get brown coat. And get the stuff for wifey car so Rick can come pick it up. Cause he rolling. He is rolling. I ain't saw nothing. I done saw it. Told her I ain't want to see it, man. I want it to be a surprise to me and wifey. So we got a little busy day planned, man. But y'all stay tuned. Finna hook the trailer up and turn y'all back on in a minute. Yes, indeed. Y'all see. Made it over here to showtime. Rolling, man. This is a busy one right here, boy. This a busy one. The wind blowing in there, man. Excuse the wind, though. What DJ in here working. Got brown coat posted right in the front. I need to wash this thing up with that J-Hog paint. Look at me. Y'all see it, man. Hit that number. Hit that number right there. Showtime, everything. That's all it is, man. Showtime, everything. Mr. Brown Coat is back yet again. See what DJ got shaking in here. Got everything. DJ, what up, brother?
What's up, man?
Man, what you got shaking in here, man?
Man, work.
Y'all see it, man. Stay loaded in here.
Work.
Stay loaded, man. Got everything you need. Y'all know what I'm telling you. Everything you need.
Work.
Yes, sir, man. 350s everywhere. 350s. Cases.
I need to get rid of some of these cases, man.
Some of the 350 cases?
350, 400s. I got some 480 cases. I got all kind of stuff. I ain't got no room, man. Somebody need to buy some of this stuff.
Hey, man, y'all heard it, man. Hit the number. You need some of these cases, you know what I'm saying? You wanna put you something nice together, or he can send it to you ready. He can ship all across the U.S. Y'all get with it, man. So I'm finna get this thing loaded up, man. We're gonna continue all day, cause I told y'all it's a business for us today, so y'all just stay tuned. All right, man, we got brown coat strapped down. First mission accomplished. We finna head back, cause man, I got to go back to the parts store. I'm trying to put the trailer up first. Then we're gonna go back to the parts store, go get wifey parts, so y'all can see what we gotta get for her. And then I'm gonna turn y'all back on, man, give y'all a good update. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all see it, man. I finally made it back home. We got brown coat back. I had moved Dolo, but now I'm finna bag Dolo up. I did call. Like I said, I got out of the car. I had to bag brown coat up. Cause then at the time, wife was here, man. So that's why the car like that is. But I'm finna move brown coat, put it back right there. Cause I slick wanna drive it. So I'm gonna put it back in front of me. And then we're gonna put Dolo up in front of it, cause I moved Dolo to mud. Cause I ain't gonna have time to really mess with none on. Like I said, did the day before the cookout. Well, y'all seen the day before the cookout. So this is Friday, but y'all seen the day before the cookout, so I ain't got time to move with none of this. I still got to find out what's going on with Grandma Nana, man. I'm gonna try my best to get that thing figured out tomorrow, cause it's not running. Meats, like I told y'all, I ain't had time, so I'm just gonna, I guess we just gonna push it on the trailer and then bring it out there. I might leave it on the trailer. I'm probably ain't gonna leave it on the trailer, cause I ain't pushing it off and then push it back on the trailer, so I probably just leave it on the trailer. But we finna put brown coat up, man. I found Jerry over here. So I'm finna let him move this one. I'm gonna back Dolo up. Then, man, we're gonna get it straightened out, cause boy, look, I don't know, man, but we gonna see. But y'all stay tuned, man. I'm hollering at y'all. All right, y'all, I'm ticking in. So y'all see, I got brown coat back, man, back in the stable or whatever. I want to drive this thing so bad, man. I ain't got time to test it out, cause it got fresh transmission, fresh everything, man. Like, I ain't even gonna have time to check it out, cause I got to go record tomorrow. And then, man, I want to drive this thing right here, man. I could take it tomorrow to the track, but I said I ain't gonna risk it. I'm not even gonna risk it, cause the cookout and just my luck, I go down there and break the joker, man. That's why I ain't driving nothing, man. It killed me that meat ain't really. I wanted that thing to be done, man. But I'm not tripping, cause I know I'm gonna be riding in that car again this year. I know for a fact, man. So I ain't even tripping, man. I ain't even tripping, cause he'll be there next year for sure. But Grandma Nana, I gotta figure Grandma Nana out, man. Cause Grandma Nana still is not firing, and I'm not gonna have time to really tinker with it tomorrow. So which today, which y'all looking at, I ain't have time to tinker with it. So I'm gonna figure something out. I'm gonna bust a power move some kind of way. I'm gonna get that car fixed, man, and I'm gonna have it there. I cannot, man, not. If I'm called, I can't have. I already got one that ain't running. So if Grandma Nana, if I don't get it crumped, then there's two that'll have to be towed, and I can't tow two. Hold on, Tina. I can't tow two of them, man. I can't do it, so I'm gonna have to get it crumped. Tina, go in the house. I'm coming there. Tina, boy, they got these birthday, boy, they go ham with these birthday. Go in the house, Tina. I'll be in there. So yeah. But let me show y'all what I got for wifey car, what I needed, car. He rolling on it, man. He really rolling on it. So y'all see, we had to get some oil. So I got the Valvoline ZR1 because it got zinc in it. It got some good zinc in it. I ain't had time to get the Summit, cause when I got the Summit, I just would have went and got the brake-in oil. I like the Royal Purple brake-in oil. This little stuff I forgot. I forgot oil filter. We got some NGK plugs. I love NGK. Man, this is stuff I forget. I mean, I ain't have no spark plug for her engine. And we got the valve cover gasket. I like cork. I do not like them rubber gaskets, man. I hate them rubber gaskets, man. They leak. They just leak, man. So I got the cork gaskets. And then we got a timing cover gasket. And he don't need that really, the water pump. I got a bunch of them. And I'm gonna tell y'all something. I got all this stuff, man. I got all this stuff. But I ain't feel like looking through it. So let me tell y'all, oh yeah. That's what I had to holler at y'all about. So I looked the parts up. I looked the parts up on the camshaft right there. Y'all know we took Meech's old engine apart. We took it apart the other day. I said other night. So let me tell y'all what it is. So what it is, I'm gonna tell y'all spec. This joke was a monster cam, man. I told y'all 700 something live, and it is a 7. God, why the boy pulling everything up? I'm gonna tell y'all, man. Y'all probably know that I ain't been over there in that corner with Meech and Nana at, because it's some hornets in that hill, man. It's some that day. Y'all know I just pulled a short block out of it the other day. This week actually. So I was over there, man. Luckily I ain't had to get on the car. But boy, them jokers started coming out the hill. And that's why I went recording, cause me and wife had been spotted them over there. And that's why I told y'all the day before I wasn't gonna record, cause I wasn't gonna be focused on it, man. And they in that hill right there, boy. Them jokers started coming out. Man, I hopped in the car, man. But then when I pulled that short block out, man, I'm telling you, they over there. So I've been trying to stay off over there. I'm gonna have to get something to hornets or yellow jackets or something. I'm gonna have to get something to knock them jokers, to knock the life out of them. But let me see. What is it? It was a Cam huge, man. 737. 737. Where is it? Did I get all of it? I ain't even get all of it. I think 737, 740. I think what it was. But it's an older cam shell, man. It's a crane cam shell. So it's a 737 lift. The 8,000 RPM red line. That's why you had to shift that thing so high. Like, I don't know what people be talking about sometimes when they talking about big blocks. You can't shift a big block, man. You have some big blocks ripped like a small block. You won't even be able to tell it's a big block. The one I had in Meach, way back in the day, that engine turned like a small block. It used to reel like a small block, for real, man. So you can't tell just cause it's a big block. When you got one that's got the good stuff in it right, man, it'll rip up there or whatever. But with a camshaft like that, man, when you get in a camshaft that's in 700 lifts, especially in a small block, boy, you got a 700 lift in a small block, you ain't driving nowhere. You ain't driving nowhere but on and off the trailer and down the 1/8 mile to 1/4 mile. That's where you driving. So, but when you got a monster camshaft like that, it's gonna want some RPMs, man. It need big runner. It got the flow. It got the flow, man. It need all that stuff. So that's what it was, man. It was a 737, 740. The camshaft ain't no good. I told y'all that the other day in Nick and stuff. But I want to give y'all the number because I told y'all I was gonna look it up. The pistons were forged, but they were just Speed Pro forged. Had Eagle H-beam rods in it. And the crankshaft, I'm not sure. I ain't look up the crankshaft. But then the parts, man, the whole object of the day was to get wifey parts. Go get brown coat. So I want to let y'all know I got brown coat back in time, man. Gonna be at the cookout. The cookout is tomorrow. Y'all looking at this video, the cookout is tomorrow. 1:00 p.m. is when it starts. 1 to 5 or 1 to 6, man. I might go to 6. It just depends on how the weather. If it starts getting too cool, we're gonna close it. But 1 to 5 or 1 to 6, man, cause the kids out for fall break. So that's why I said 1 to 5, 1 to 6. It might be out there, man. But it started at 1. I got free food, man. When the food is gone, it's gone now. I'm telling y'all. And the food is gone, it's gone. Cause when you're doing a blind event like this, you don't really know how many people gonna pop up, man. I'm not finna buy 1,000 burgers and something and have 1,000 hot dogs, have all the food left over. Cause 1,000 people is a lot of people. It ain't gonna be that many people out there, but it's gonna be a good many people. Y'all know last year I had a lot of food. I had stuff left, man. We brought a lot of food home, man. Everybody got a chance to eat. And then you know how it is. Some people don't even eat out there. Some people might just want a hot dog. Somebody might just want a hamburger. We're gonna have my wife and aunt, man, her Aunt Emma, man, her famous pound cake. If you came last year, you hit that pound cake, you already know what type of time that's on, for real. Crack pudding, I gotta hit my boy CJ to make sure he still got me on the pans. But we supposed to have some out there, man. Chips, free drinks, sodas, and waters. Come out, man. If y'all rock with me, y'all watching, come out, man. 1:00 p.m. Like I said, it's gonna be in Madison, Georgia. Billwood Park. Look it up. Billwood Park, Madison, Georgia. You can get the address, or I'm gonna post the flyer in the community tab too, so you can see the flyer, man. And like I said, I'm going to work tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow, but the cookout tomorrow for y'all. I'm just trying to talk in the sense of y'all viewing. But the time y'all looking at this, I'm getting it in. I'm probably at the track getting it in right now. But I'm gonna come back early because I gotta get up in the morning and wash these cars, man. Wipe these cars down, man. I gotta wipe them down, and I got to make some calls now and try to see what I'm gonna do about Nana, man. Cause I gotta get Grandma Nana fired up ASAP rocket. So let's see, but I got to shout out Showtime, man. I got to shout out my boy DJ. He came through, man. He got it right. He ready to roll immediately after the cookout. And we will be taking it to the track. Cause Brown Coat has the least track time. R&B done seen the track more than Brown Coat. They're crazy, ain't it? So we'll be taking it to the track, man. I will be taking it to the track. Got to get their fuel system switched over. So this joker here started running running out like it is full potential on motor, cause it ain't even running its full potential on motor, but it done laid the law down. So that's on the agenda. Get the fuel system fit. This next, I got to get the fuel system fit ASAP rocking on this. And R&B, I still got to get the exhaust. Grandma Nana gonna get fit, man. Grandma Nana get fit. Grandma Nana got that fresh rear end, man. Listen, Grandma Nana got that fresh rear end, man. The first day I drove it, that joker just cut off. I said, come on, man. The first day, that joker just hit. I said, come on. Stop playing now. The first day, I ain't even got a chance to enjoy the rear end, man. I popped one block. I popped one block since I put that rear in that car. And then it just been so hectic and the week been so crazy. I ain't got time to just look at it. I got the distributor. I got the Pro Billet distributor. I got new wire harness for the MSD to make it fresh. But I'm gonna find out, man. I think that distributor really messed up. I really think it messed up. But the MSD distributor I got, I don't have to change the harness because it's a ready to run distributor. So it got one extra wire versus the old, the other MSD distributor, because they make a bunch of different Pro Billets. But yeah, that's gonna wrap this up, y'all. This just the video before the video, man. But I will, no matter what, I'm gonna have the whole fleet out there. 4 of them will be running. Meats will be on the trailer. I'm not gonna take it out the trailer car. Then I have to push it up. We have to push it back up. Then I'm gonna leave it on the trailer so it'll be out there so everybody can check on it. But now they're gonna be running. And y'all know Dolo, R&B, and Brown Coat, man. They on go time, man. They on go time all the time. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up, man. So I'm finna get in the house, cause we finna have a little party, our traditional family party, man. Like anytime one of us have a birthday, cause y'all know the kid put a lot in there. That's why Tina keep coming outside. She'll make me some. So I'm gonna go check that out. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.